Let's take a look at what Tesla did today. So we closed at 413.82. That's down $14.40, 3.36% post-market. We are down a little bit more. So let's take a look at what this means on the chart. So yesterday we came outside of our bearish channel. This is the bearish channel. Boom, boom, boom. We came outside strongly outside. Today, well, we are almost back in. You know, we are pretty much right smack on it. We are going to need to go to the 1 hour chart to understand better what happened. So first candle of the day is a red candle. Look at how perfectly, this is more details right here. Look at how perfectly we came down to the bearish channel resistance. It is now using it as support on the first hour. Second hour also used it as support. Third hour, we broke it temporarily, but we closed above. And we did the same thing for the next two candles, breaking the downward channel resistance support, broke it temporarily and came back up. And look at our stop loss line. Stop loss line at 411.71. Look at how we did not close below 411.71. So we stayed above. We went below during the hour, stayed above for each of the candles. And these are 1 hour candles. This is why if you put an automatic stop loss at 411.71, then they have been triggered. They have been triggered for sure. No problem. You can come back if you are triggered out. Just wait a little bit. Just wait until we break above 415.47 again to get back in. This is why it would be great for trading platforms or investing platforms. It would be great if they would allow us the flexibility to send a alert only after a candle has completed. That would be a great feature because right here, you saw it. We traded below 411.71, but it was a partial candle. We never closed below. If we could set an automatic stop loss that cared about the 1 hour candle, that would be fantastic. So yes, we are pulling back from yesterday, but technically, you know, we are still above our 411.71. Yes, we lost 415.47, and it turns out that 426.47 is a little bit harder to break. We broke it yesterday, but it is a little bit harder. So this is going to put a little bit less emphasis on 415.47. So if you got triggered out, I'm going to change what I said. You can wait to have a break at 426.47 to get back up. Because right now, what is going to be happening is that this 415.47 is going to be zigzagged, I think. Because this is what's already happening. We break it, we go below, and maybe tomorrow we are going to go above. So, you know, we could have a chance of being zigzag. In terms of the stochastic is below 60. You know, it's too bad. But what is more important is that we are holding 411.71. Support lines are more important than stochastic. Let's go back on the daily chart. So stochastic took a little bit of a plunge, but not too much change. And we are still into our bullish channel, of course. So if we start breaking that bullish channel, then this is going to be another story. So at least we are still in our bullish channel. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. So the day started pretty good. We started going down. Right now, we are up a little bit. So we are up 0.49, closed at 1660. 16 is still a good number. 18, not so much. 1840, not so much. So yeah, VIX is a little bit up today. So this was not super. Let's take a look at the bonds. Okay, this is great. The 10-year bonds falling. So this is going to help. So maybe things are going to start picking back up tomorrow. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones, yes, we had a great day yesterday. We need to say that. We had a great day yesterday. So Dow Jones, We closed a little bit lower today, but look at this candle. We still made a higher low. Not a higher high, but at least a higher low. We have stochastic over 60 for Dow Jones. S&P 500, a little bit of a pullback also today, and still into our downward channel. Nasdaq, look at this perfection. We opened right smack on the resistance, but we could not break it. Still above this big support that we had for a while. So, not the best day, but we cannot say that everything is bad. After the big day we had yesterday, okay, we can accept a little bit of a pullback. The same for Russell small cap, just a little bit of a pullback. We still made a higher low, but we did not make a higher high. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. So yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. The big companies had a little bit of a pullback, but lots of green also at the same time. We had a little bit of bad news, if I can call it like that. So the forecast was 0.5% for retail sales. So we came out at 0.4. So, this is a little bit of weakening. So I don't know how this can be interpreted, but this is what came out. In terms of Tesla news, we have a Tesla boycott that is gaining momentum in Germany due to Elon Musk's meddling in politics. So maybe the fact that Trump is going to get inaugurated January 20th, maybe this is going to cause a little bit of a kerfuffle. We'll have to see if it's true. So there's a big company in Germany, a large energy company in Germany that is joining Tesla boycott. The company announced it. So the reason is Elon Musk's support of Donald Trump and his recommendation to vote for a right-wing populist and right-wing extremist party that is in no way compatible with Lichtblick values prompted us to take this step. We are committed to diversity, tolerance, and democracy. Well, okay. And of course, climate protection and electromobility, blah, blah, blah. But in the future, we will be relying on providers other than Tesla. All current contracts with Tesla vehicles will not be renewed after the contract ends. So a little bit of political motivation right here. And also another news, Tesla throttles down Cybertruck production, shift workers to Model Y. So the Model Y is selling a lot more than the Cybertruck. So Tesla had planned a production capacity of 250K Cybertruck per year at Gigafactory, Texas. And Elon Musk said that this could be ramped to 500K. But things might not seem to go in that direction after having sold roughly 40,000 Cybertrucks in its first year of production. Tesla is already throttling down Cybertruck production, according to documents obtained by Business Insider. And there's even a little bit of Cybertruck inventory that is available. So maybe the Cybertruck is not doing as well, at least for now, with the all-wheel drive version, the foundation version. So maybe after the foundation series is finished, then maybe we are going to see some sales start to pick up. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.